Hola, mi querido principiante, ¿cómo estás? Bien, excelente. ¿Cómo me llamo? What's my name? Kyle. Exactly. Y estoy aquí porque tengo una lección. Sí, normalmente prefiero que mis videos se llamen videos y me molesta un poquito cuando alguien me dice que un video es una lección. Pero en este caso no tengo problemas diciendo que este video es una lección de inglés. ¿Por qué? Porque más o menos lo que voy a hacer contigo es lo que haría en una clase real con un estudiante. Claro, no hay esa interacción que tengo con mis estudiantes, pero sí, el método es igual a lo que uso con mis principiantes y con mis preintermedios. Y no tengo un nombre sexy para esta metodología. Por ahora, bueno, metodología, pero método por ahora se llama mi método de interrogación. Si tienes un nombre muy sexy, bien sexy, un nombre como Guadalajara, Cochabamba, Guayaquil, Bucaramanga. Yo prefiero nombres sexys así, entonces si tienes un nombre sexy así como esas ciudades latinas, pues sí, adelante, dame el nombre. Entonces con este método hay ciertas reglas que necesitas seguir, pero primero unas cachetadas si es la primera vez que estás viendo un video mío. Primera cachetada, dominar la gramática no es fluidez. Segunda cachetada. Necesitas muchas repeticiones de algo para dominarlo. Tercera y última cachetada. Es posible aprender la gramática y el vocabulario en su contexto con una buena guía. Y el mejor guía para ti es Profe Kyle. Lo sé. Y siguiendo, reglas para usar el método de interrogación. 1, voy a mostrarte una frase. 2, voy a hacerte preguntas sobre esa frase. 3, me respondes con una respuesta corta o larga. Y 4, te doy mi respuesta para corregirte o confirmar que respondiste bien. Así de fácil. Y en esta lección vas a aprender, vas a practicar el pasado simple, presente simple y el futuro simple. También el tiempo, también el clima y también la temperatura en inglés. Sí, puedes aprender un montón con un buen método. No solo una clase sobre el clima, una clase sobre el presente simple, no. Puedes aprender mucho en una sola lección. Comencemos, por favor. Entonces, las primeras 2 oraciones están aquí. Yesterday was a hot and sunny day. It reached 27 degrees Celsius. So, yesterday, ayer. So, yesterday was a hot and sunny day. Aquí estamos hablando en el pasado. So, yesterday was a hot and sunny day. Odio decir hot en español porque caliente tiene una connotación sexual. En inglés no tanto. Pero sí, era un día caluroso, algo así. And sunny, soleado. It reached, como, no sé si ustedes dicen alcanzó en español, pero alcanzó 27 centígrados. And yes, for Canadians like me, 27 degrees Celsius is hot. It is hot weather. Are you ready for some questions? All right, let me give you some questions. First question, was yesterday hot and cloudy? No, yesterday wasn't hot and cloudy. Yesterday was hot and sunny. Exactly. So what was the weather like yesterday? Yeah, yesterday the weather was hot and sunny. It was a hot and sunny day. Now, was yesterday hot and sunny? Yeah, yesterday was hot and sunny. I'm allergic to the sun. I'm very pale. The sun and I, we don't get along. No nos llevamos muy bien. We don't get along. Next, how was the weather yesterday? The weather was hot and sunny. Exactly. That's what the weather was. That's how the weather was yesterday. Now, was it cold? Cold. Ooh, so cold that I'm shivering. So cold that I'm shivering. No. Was it cold and rainy or hot and sunny yesterday? No, it wasn't cold and rainy yesterday. It was hot and sunny yesterday. Now, what was the temperature yesterday? Yes, the temperature yesterday was 27 degrees Celsius. That was the temperature yesterday. All right, now, did it reach 20 degrees Celsius? No, not 20 degrees Celsius. It reached 27 degrees Celsius yesterday. 20 degrees Celsius is not hot for Canadians like myself, but 27 degrees Celsius, yes, that's very hot for a Canadian like me. What about you? Is 27 degrees Celsius, is that hot, warm, or cold for you? Next question. Is 27 degrees Celsius hot? Yeah, I just asked you. So tell me, here, right now, or in the comments, is 27 degrees Celsius, is it hot? Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it cool? Let me know. Entonces, eso, el pasado, hablando sobre el clima, hablando sobre el tiempo, hablando sobre temperatura, pasado simple. ¿Vamos a la siguiente oración? ¿Dos oraciones? Excelente, vamos. So here, we have the present. Aquí está el presente. Y dice, today is a cloudy and cool day. Cloudy is nublado. Cool is interesting to translate to Spanish. Cool would be like fresco, maybe. I think fresco, cool would be fresco for you. And the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. The temperature is 16 degrees Celsius right now. So, hoy es un día nublado y fresco. La temperatura es 16 centígrado. Questions? Let's get started. So, for you, what is the weather like today? Yeah, what is the weather like today? Yeah, the weather is cloudy and cool. It is a cloudy and cool day today. Now, is it sunny and hot like yesterday? No, it isn't sunny and hot like yesterday. Today is cloudy and cool. Yeah, exactly. Now, is it cold and rainy today? Nope, it isn't cold and rainy today. It is cloudy and cool today. Yeah. How is the weather today? How is it? How is the weather? The weather is cloudy and cool. Today is a cloudy and cool day. Exactly. Good job. Now, is it 27 degrees Celsius outside? Nope. It's not 27 degrees Celsius outside. It's not. It's 16 degrees Celsius outside. And what is the temperature outside? Outside, the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Exactly. Inside, is it 16 degrees Celsius? No, not inside. Outside, it is 16 degrees Celsius. Now, is 16 degrees Celsius cool or hot? Well, it depends on your perspective. For a Canadian like me, 16 degrees Celsius is cool. It's not hot, it's not warm, but it's not cold. But for many Latinos, Dominicans, Venezuelans, maybe some Mexicans, 16 degrees Celsius might be cold. But for Canadians, no. 16 degrees Celsius is not cold. What about for you? Is 16 degrees Celsius cold or cool for you? Or is it hot? Tell me in the comments. All right, next sentences. Are you ready for the future? So we just talked about the present before. We talked about the past. Now let's talk about the future. Here we go. Here we have tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a cold and rainy day. Tomorrow, is that ayer, hoy, o mañana? Tomorrow is mañana, exactly. And will be a cold and rainy day. Will aquí es para señalar que hablamos del futuro. Es un verbo auxiliar, will. Auxiliar porque está ayudando, auxiliando, diciéndonos que, oye, ahora estoy hablando sobre el futuro. ¿Sí? Cold, frío. Rainy. Rainy en español es lluvioso. ¿Estoy bien? ¿Lluvioso? Yeah. So, mañana será un día lluvioso o frío y lluvioso. ¿Algo así? Espero que sí. The temperature will only reach 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature apenas alcanzará 10 centígrados. Claro, en Canadá usamos centígrado. Para mis hermanos en los Estados Unidos usan Fahrenheit. Yo no sé bien cómo usar Fahrenheit, así que voy a usar Celsius. Y yo sé, si eres latino, entiendes muy bien Celsius como nosotros los canadienses. Listo. Questions? Ready? All right. So, my dear student, will tomorrow be cool and cloudy like today? No, tomorrow won't be cold. Sorry, not cold. Won't be cool and cloudy like today. It will be cold and rainy. Not like today. It's going to be completely different tomorrow. Next question. What will tomorrow be like? Yeah, tomorrow will be a cold and rainy day. Tomorrow will be cold and rainy. Very good. Now, will tomorrow be a hot and sunny day like yesterday? No. Tomorrow won't be a hot and sunny day like yesterday, and it won't be cool and cloudy like today. It will be cold and rainy tomorrow. That's what it will be. Now, how's the weather tomorrow? How is it? How's the weather? The weather is cold and rainy tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a cold and rainy day. Now, what will the temperature reach tomorrow? The temperature will reach 10 degrees Celsius. Exactly. Tomorrow, the temperature will reach 10 degrees Celsius. Now, will the temperature reach 100 degrees Celsius tomorrow? No, not at all. If the temperature reached 100 degrees Celsius tomorrow, I think humans might go extinct. It would be apocalyptic in nature if the temperatures reached 100 degrees Celsius tomorrow. No, tomorrow the temperatures will reach 10 degrees Celsius. And for Canadians, 10 degrees Celsius, it isn't super cold. Some Canadians might even say it's cool. But I know for most Latinos, 10 degrees Celsius is cold. Even in Argentina, where they have winter, they say 10 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius is cold. Yeah, I guess for me, 10 degrees Celsius is kind of cold, but it's not that cold for Canadians. Real cold for Canadians is -5, -10, -15, -20 degrees Celsius. That's a real cold for Canadians. And those are all my questions for this lesson. You practiced the past simple, the present simple, the future simple. You practiced the weather. You practiced talking about time of the week, right? Was it yesterday, today, tomorrow? Or no, better say tomorrow, today, yesterday? Yes, you understand. You worked on a lot in today's lesson. Did you learn a lot? I hope you did. If you learned a lot, let me know down in the comments, because I love to make these videos, and I know that if you follow my instructions, you do the exercise in this video, your English will improve if you are consistent in your efforts. And that's what I hope. And that's it for now. For information about what I do, go to profekyle.com. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, my dear beginner. Bye.